Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Uzgege, #1 best visual artist. So today I'll be showing you how to draw a nose. So there's a picture that I want to work on. You can see the picture on your screen. So that's the image I want to work on. So today I'll be working with charcoal pencil and graphite pencil. So I have my Uzgege charcoal pencil, and I have my charcoal powder here. You can use anything. You can use any other thing. You can use graphite powder if you know how to work with graphite. So I have my brush here. This is what I want to use too. Then this other brush set. So I'll be showing you how I'll draw these things step by step. Thank you for staying. So if you watch till this stage, it shows that you're truly a lover of art. So kindly hit the follow button and like and comment and share. So I'm going to post another video like this, but that will be more detailed. I didn't really explain how I draw this one. I'm just showing you step by step. On the next video, I'm going to explain how to draw it properly and the reason why I'm using these tools. Thank you for watching.